Hey loves, welcome to episode 5. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply a simple nude eyeshadow look, eyeliner, eyelashes and mascara perfect for beginners. First, start by applying an eyeshadow primer all over your eyelids. This helps your eyeshadow stay in place longer, prevents creasing and makes the color appear more vibrant. Next, go in with a transition shade. Choose a soft brown or light neutral color and blend it into your crease using a fluffy blending brush. Use gentle windshield wiper motion to create a smooth base for the rest of your eyeshadow. Now it's time for the nude eyeshadow, and I'll be using my Annie's Beauty Nude Happy Bride eyeshadow palette to achieve this. Pick a nude shade that complements your skin tone and apply it all over your eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Pat the color onto the lid first, then gently blend the edges into the transition shade for a seamless finish. Once you are satisfied with your eyeshadow, let's move on to eyeliner, and I'm using Tahila gel liner to achieve this. Using your favorite eyeliner, start from the inner corner of your eyes and draw a thin line along your lash line. For beginners, it's best to keep the line thin and build it up gradually. If you would like a wing, extend the outer corner slightly upward. And also, don't forget to line your waterline like so. Next, apply your eyelashes. Measure the lash strip against your eye and trim off any excess if necessary. Apply a thin layer of lash glue to the band and wait about 30 seconds until it becomes tacky. Carefully place the lashes as close to your natural lash line as possible, starting from the center, then secure the inner and outer corners. After that, gently press the lashes to secure it properly. To finish the look, apply mascara to your natural lashes. Gently wiggle the mascara wand from the root to the tips to add length and volume. This also helps blend your natural lashes with the false lashes for a more natural appearance. If you have watched up to this point and gained value so far and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And that's it, a simple beginner friendly nude eye look featuring eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyelashes and mascara. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.